Looking for a lightweight business laptop with AI features, solid performance, upgradability, and enterprise-grade security? Today we're checking out the ASUS ExpertBook B3, powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processor. This laptop is designed for professionals, remote workers, students, and businesses that need reliability without sacrificing modern AI-powered productivity tools. Starting with the design, ASUS has given the ExpertBook B3 a clean and professional look. The laptop comes in a subtle gentle grey finish and features a newly designed chassis inspired by modern architecture. It weighs only around 1.4 kilograms. One practical feature I really like is the 180-degree lay-flat hinge. Now let's talk performance. The ExpertBook B3 is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra 5225H processor. This chip features 14 cores and 14 threads with boost speeds reaching up to 4.9 GHz. For everyday productivity, multitasking, office applications, web browsing, and video conferencing, performance feels fast and responsive. The laptop also includes Intel Arc graphics, providing a noticeable improvement over previous generations of integrated graphics. That means smoother creative workloads, light content creation, and better media performance. The configuration I'm looking at comes with 16 GB of DDR5 memory and a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. Battery life is another strong point. The ExpertBook B3 comes with a 50 Wh battery designed to comfortably support a full workday under typical office workloads. On the front, we get a 14-inch WUXGA display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution and a productivity-friendly 16:10 aspect ratio. Compared to traditional 16:9 screens, the taller display gives you more vertical space for documents, spreadsheets, and web browsing. The anti-glare coating helps reduce reflections in bright environments, while the 300 nit brightness level is sufficient for most indoor office use. It's not a creator-focused display due to its 45% NTSC color coverage, but for business tasks, meetings, and productivity, it performs well. Connectivity. When it comes to connectivity, ASUS didn't cut corners. You get 2 Thunderbolt for USB-C ports, 2 USB Type-A ports, HDMI 2.1 microSD card reader, Ethernet port, audio combo jack, Kensington lock slot. And depending on the configuration, you can even get built-in 5G LTE support for internet connectivity almost anywhere. Wireless connectivity is handled by Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast and stable connections. ASUS has equipped the ExpertBook B3 with a backlit chiclet keyboard featuring 1.5 mm of key travel. Typing feels comfortable and responsive for long work sessions.